and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja and this is very simple and easy question of BODMAS, order of operations. So how do we apply operations here in these types of questions? We know BODMAS is we will solve brackets first, then exponents, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So in this question, if we see, we have numerator and denominator, okay? So first we will solve here numerator, and if we see here, we have two operations here and then one exponent. So our first step is to solve exponent. So 5 plus 2 times 8, right? By square root of 8 times 7 minus 7, right? So this is 5 plus 16 by, so if we see the square root, here we have multiply and subtraction. So 8 times 7 is 56 minus 7. So up here we have 21 and here we have square root of 49, right? So this is 21 by, what is square root of 49? 7. So actually we get the answer 3. So I hope you understood this question. This was very easy. If you like it, do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.